Top careers that will disappear by 2035. AI is replacing them. The world of work is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence and automation are already replacing many tasks. Experts say millions of jobs could disappear within the next decade. Here are some careers that may not exist by 2035. Bank tellers. Online banking and mobile apps have already reduced the need for physical branches. Customers can transfer money, deposit checks, and manage accounts from their phones. Many banks are now investing heavily in automated systems. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines are becoming common in stores. Large retailers are adopting automation to reduce costs. In the future, many stores may operate with very few human cashiers. Drivers. Self-driving technology is developing rapidly. Companies are testing autonomous vehicles for taxis, delivery services, and trucks. By 2035, some driving jobs may significantly decline. Telemarketers. AI-powered systems can now make calls, analyze customer responses, and automate sales conversations. Businesses increasingly rely on automated marketing systems. Data entry clerks. AI software can process and organize data faster than humans. Many companies are replacing manual data entry with intelligent systems. Travel agents. Online platforms allow travelers to book flights, hotels, and tours instantly. Websites and apps have replaced many traditional travel agencies. Basic reporters. AI tools can now generate simple news reports, sports summaries, and financial updates. While investigative journalism will remain important, routine reporting may decline. Postal workers. Digital communication has reduced the need for traditional mail. Automation is also transforming logistics and delivery systems. Technology will replace some jobs, but it will also create new ones. The key is learning skills that technology cannot easily replace. Creativity, critical thinking, human connection, innovation. The future belongs to people who adapt. Which job do you think will disappear first? Comment below. Subscribe for more education and future career insights.